Staring out the window, reaching for a North Star.
It's around
Waiting
11
just to
p.m.
wake
grabbing a
up
dinner,
from this
so like his babe.
nightmare where you could be right.
We're heading to a bar right now.
Dancing to the limbo, stuck here in the middle. You tell me that it's simple, but I could paint 1,000 different.
I'm at Crew Cafe right now. We're grabbing coffee. We just woke up. Soup dumpling. So we're heading now to Water Market. Hopefully it's still open. Hopefully there's an actual Christmas market there because I'm hungry. If there's none, do you want to eat sandwich or like a deli?
Deli? I don't want to eat deli.
Yeah, because there's like deli beside it.
I want to eat McDonald's.
We're heading around Water for the first time. We're like trying to get out of downtown. Heading home after Water. It was a really nice ball.
If you're here
In
Montreal,
Montreal, you need to try Water. It's
Tough.
really good. Shout out to Sebastian for
And
taking care of
100,
us. You guys
make sure
should
you get
try
out
it. We're going home from Anaya. We went to Water. We're just taking the metro. If ever you're around Water, you guys should try the Water Cocktail Club. It was freaking amazing. Shout out to Sebastian.
Sebastian brothers. So
Now we're like heading to we're going to a pizza place for after. It's really good, guys. You should try it. It's really cheap. We got the goodies. We got pepperoni for the afters, but we needed one more subway ride. It's feeling forever right now. Like I really want to sleep, but like I want to eat too. I don't know. I need to decide what I want in life. You know, mate, you need to decide what you want in life, you know? Another day and another vlog. Another day in Montreal, but I'm heading to Toronto later this afternoon. Friends went to St. Joseph Oratory. So right now I end up going to one of my favorite bagel places in the city. It's called Lake. Heading toward the cafe right now just to wait for them and probably do some work. I'm heading to this place called Crema. It's by Fairmont.